Gathered here 8 more pretty cool gadgets for everyday carry or everyday use. Super unique. Let's see what they're all about. Check this out. There's a umbrella with a flashlight. Have you seen anything like that? So first of all, you have right here a regular umbrella. Nice. But whenever you twisted that, so whenever you walk, it's going to be flashing in front of your feet. You can point it down wherever, adjust it as much as you want. Go a little bit farther, no problem. That is so cool. Boom, and you see there's a little batteries it takes like that. The best part about this umbrella, that's it's adjust so that way you can hold the umbrella straight and cover it up from the rain and point it in front of you whenever you walk in the dark, in the rain. That's perfect, so that way you don't step in the puddles. Got right here 2 Olight pens. They're super cool. Let's check this out, what they're all about. Wow, so looks like it comes with a rechargeable cord and there's a pen. So you got right here a pen, you press it like that, you have a little flashlight, and right here bolt action pen. That is one of a kind, unique pens. I really love them. So it's the same thing but black. This one has a serial number. That is cool. So yeah, there's a bolt action pen and a flashlight right here for everyday carry. I would choose probably have a pen with a flashlight. Got right here keychain size bottle opener and corkscrew. So that's pretty awesome. Let's open it up. That's gotta be the smallest bottle opener corkscrew I've ever seen. And you know how cool that is? You see this is a bottle opener. You grab this part and put it to the side. Look how tiny that is. That's so beautiful. Wow. Let's try this out. It's just kind of hard to start it, but because it's a little bit small, but once you got it, it seems to be piece of cake. I'm gonna go all the way through so the cork doesn't break, and all I have to do is just pull. Let's see, maybe twist and pull. There you go. Boom. Wow, that's insane. I love it. So small, works so well. And once we're done, just grab it and put it away. That is so unique. I love that. Here's a little keychain knife tool. So you got right here a super cool, solid, pretty hefty piece of metal. Whenever you unspin it, you have right here a little Allen wrench to take apart your knife, fix a knife, adjust the knife, and then right here another tool. That's so cool. It's so hefty and beautiful. There's a logo, CK, I guess. This knife maker makes a lot of unique little tools like that. Boom. So can put on a keychain so that way you don't lose a couple of keys together, and always have a little tool in case you need to fix your knife or whatever. Got it here, camping knife utensil set, or you can actually bring it to work in case you bring in your lunch with you. So check this out. You have right here a couple of pieces. There's your fork and a knife. Let's figure it out how to take it apart. There you go. And there's a knife. I mean, it's a butter knife, but also it's pretty sharp, so you can actually eat steaks with that. It's not a butter knife, it's sharp. Pretty nice, decent spoon. I don't know, I guess you can eat soup with that. And it's a frame lock. You just spin it, close it. It's probably like the thinnest fork, knife and a spoon I've seen in a while. So, oh, okay, it's a magnetic on top of it. That's why it took a little minute to take it off. It locks in over here and goes into the magnet. Same thing right here. You put it through and goes into the magnet, so that way it stays together super nice and doesn't come off. Here's a high-end, over $100 titanium chopsticks. Check this out. It's not just chopsticks. Why you want titanium? Because they are very lightweight and super strong, so you can actually use it as a window breaker. Check this out. and then another piece right here. And you know what, this feels super extra long. And this non-slip edge over here, kind of looking super cool. So that's how I eat with chopsticks. Not sure if I do it the right way, but that's awesome. Everyday chopstick, take apart. Look at that. Kind of a little bit different colors, but I think this is just heated treated. Super cool. I don't know how they do that, but that's not a paint. I think it's they use it like a blowtorch or whatever to change color. Let me know in comments below how they do it. If you love chopstick and love Asian food, boom, there you go. There's a lot of expensive chopsticks. I think this is way better than those wooden expensive chopsticks. This titanium with the window breakers. And look at that holder. Just high end. Love it. Got it here. Nano pen, keychain pen, compact pen, whatever. That is tiny. Check this out. Comes with one of this. Feels like magnetic. Oh yeah, I love that. I don't know if I have ever seen a little keychain pen that is magnetic. Does it take apart, and how does it do it? Okay, this right here. Wow, that's tight. So if you need a new little refill, you'll have to just buy it. So yeah, pretty nice keychain pen with a magnetic top. Makes it easy to take it in and out. But I don't think it's gonna come off that easily. It's not gonna fall out. It has pretty nice pull in there as a magnet. And for the last gadget we got right here, extreme post-it notes. Wow, that's cool. Let's open it. So it will stick and stay on in the mud, wood, brick, hot, cold, wet. That's interesting. It's kind of moist out here. Let's see how well it's going to do. Wow, look at that. The paper is totally different a little bit. Wow, that is pretty sticky. And let's see. The table definitely a little bit moist. Oh my god, it is incredibly sticky. Look at that. It's almost want to rip on that. Look, the paper is actually ripping. Let's see if it will rip. Nope, it will unstick. So it's super stone. It is almost really hard to break this knot as well. Wow, that is hard. You see I slipped through it. On the metal, no problem. How about wood? Stick on it. Yeah, you just have to kind of make sure you stick it all the way. Even this one's kind of hard to stick it on. Wow, took the paint off. Okay, they said it will stick on a wet. You see there is a little bit of wetness over here. Let's see if it will actually stick. Probably too wet right here. Maybe a little bit too moist, so a little bit wipe it off, then stick on it. No, not gonna do that. But the cool thing is like you can moist the actual paper, and it's holding up so well. I think that's what they're talking about, not just stickiness. It will hold up no problem underwater. That is cool. I think that's what they're talking about, the water, not about stickiness. It just holds up super well. What about dust? You see it's a little dusty. It's kind of like pollen out here. Boom, on the metal. Wow, that's awesome.